Hello my friend, you are welcome to this video presentation of Alliance Emotion Global. My name is Joseph Adediji and I'll be taking you through the details of Alliance Emotion Global business. What is Alliance Emotion Global? Alliance Emotion Global is a leading multi-level marketing company in the world. Alliance Emotion Global was ranked #1 multi-level marketing company in the world for the year 2014 and the year 2015, and we also won this award for the year 2016. So Alliance Emotion Global won the award as #1 multi-level marketing company in the world for 3 consecutive years. M Global has won numerous awards like the Consumer Choice Awards, the Asian Business Awards, which are all shown here, and also Alliance Emotion Global is the holder of 2 Guinness World Records. This company owns 2 Guinness World Records for the largest woman smiley and the most people wearing smiley mask. So this is a rock solid company, and this is a great company doing great things out there. Alliance Emotion Global is in partnership with Nature's Way. Nature's Way is a leading herbal manufacturing company in the world with over 50 years. Nature's Way has been existed for 50 years. So Nature's Way produce the food supplements which are marketed by Alliance Emotion Global, and these are top-notch quality products from the USA. Nature's Way is based in Greenville, Wisconsin, USA. Alliance Emotion Global has a fast-growing food business tree across 200 countries. M Global has offices in Brunei, Singapore, Dubai, Kuwait, Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Togo. We have offices all over the world. So this is a worldwide business. People are doing this business all over the world. This is a global business, and you also are invited to be a part of this wonderful business opportunity. Alliance Emotion Global markets organic food supplements. So the products are organic food supplements. These are products that are made from natural components, fruits, herbs, vegetables, and so on. These are what we have in our products, and these products have halal and kosher approval. So whether you're a Muslim or you're a Jew, you are allowed to use this product. This product does not go against any form of religion. Here are some of the products available by Alliance Emotion Global. We have the Complete Phyto Energizer. We have our Restore Life, which is a longevity formula. We have the Colidos, which fights against cholesterol and bad fat in the body system. We have the world first alkaline coffee, and we have the My Choco. So Alliance Emotion Global allows you to make money every day without buying and selling. So this business is a unique business opportunity that allows you to earn without buying and selling anything. This business has no risk involved, and anybody can do this business. No matter your education, no matter your age, no matter your career, no matter your occupation, you can do this business and be successful in it. Now let's take a quick look at 9 reasons why people do this business. Why do we do this business? 1, it is a simple business. It is simple and straightforward. There are no targets. You are not under any pressure. You do it as you want. You are allowed to have multiple accounts so that you can make more money. This business gives you access to quality health product. As you know, health is wealth. Our health is very important. We enjoy free international trips, and also selling is not compulsory. Nobody is asking you to come and buy or sell anything. We are not hawkers. This is a legit business. We have access to training and support from the company, and this is an international business. You can do this business from any part of the world. If you are in South Africa, you can do this business. When you move to USA, you can do this business. If you move to Canada, you can do this business. If you come down to Nigeria or Ghana, you can do this business. This is an international business, and also the commissions are paid directly into your bank account. The world is better, the world is digitalized now. So when you make any money from this business, this money goes directly into your FNB bank. All you have to do is just go to your bank, get your money, and you can enjoy your life. So how do you make money from Alliance Emotion Global? 1, you make money through retailing. Retailing allows you to earn 25% profit from sales of product. Then we have the direct referral bonus of 100 rands. We have the matches bonus of 210 rands. We have the level bonus of 5% to 10%. And we have the step bonus also, and we have the GA Max 10. Let's take a closer look at these ways to make money. First one, let's look at the retailing. Let's say we want to go with the retailing. In Alliance Emotion Global, one of our products is the C24/7. This is our flagship product. This product costs 105 rands, and the company says we should sell it for 140. So if you are selling this product for 140, you are making a profit of 35 rands on a box of this particular product, just one box. If you have 10 customers, regular customers per month, you make a total of 350. And if you can sell 100 boxes to 100 regular customer in a month, you are making a total of 3,500 rands. You can see there's a lot of money to be made from retailing. And of course, there is no quota. There is no quota means you can buy any quantity you want. Nobody's forcing you to buy large quantity. If you need one box of C24/7, you can order for one box of C24/7. And as I said earlier, you are not forced, you are not required to sell. If you like, you buy and sell. If you like, you don't retail. It's all up to you. Now let's take a look at the other way by which we earn, which is the binary. Under the binary, we have direct referral bonus of 100 rands. Now under the 100 rand, let's look at this system. This is you. Look at this diagram here. This is you right here. Then you join Alliance Emotion Global, which is a network marketing company. And then when you join, you bring in your two friends, Mr. A and Mr. B. When you introduce this business to Mr. A and Mr. B, the company pays you 100 rand for inviting Mr. A and Mr. B, which gives you a total of 200 rands right here. So now, when you bring in Mr. A and Mr. B, the system will detect that there are two people on your left and one on your right. So the system will divide your network into two. You can see the left and right division right there. So Mr. A is on your left, Mr. B is on your right. Then this brings us to the matching bonus of 210 rands. So for A and B, the system will pick them and match them together and pay you another 210. So in total, you'll be making 410 rands right there. So if just two people, you are making 410 rands. Now your friend Mr. A have also heard about the business. Then he goes home and invites two of his friends. Your friend Mr. B goes home and invites two of his friends, and he also gets paid. He also makes the same money, 410 rand, because when they bring in the two people, they also get paid. Now, you that you are at the top, this is you. You don't even know these two guys, you don't know these two new person, but the system will detect one new person on your left and one new on your right, and they will pay you 210 rands. Then you pick the other person and then pay you another bonus of 210 rands, which will make you a total of 830 rands. Now, as more people are joining left and right, the system will be picking them one after the other automatically, and they'll be paying you your bonus of 210 till infinity. That's how these systems work. Now let's take a closer look at this. Look at this. This is you. You invite Ada. When you bring in Ada to your left and then you bring in Obi to your right, the system pairs them together and pays you a matching bonus of 210 for the matching bonus. Ada brings John. You don't even know John. Obi brings David. You don't know David, but they are still under your network. The system will still pay you 210 rands. So now John brings in Faith, David brings Izzy. You may not even know them, but because they are still under your network, that's the power of network marketing. You still get paid from these two people that are joining. So as more people are joining the left and the right cycle, the company is paying you your bonuses. Now let's take a look at this other example. Let's say this is me, and then you decide to join us today. When you join, I place you on my left. You can see you right here in this diagram. So this is you. Then you bring in your friend Ada on your left, but you are yet to find the other person that is ready to join. But I found someone, Obi, who wants to join. I can decide to place Obi under you, and when I place Obi under you, the system will still pay you the matching bonus. So you can get paid from your upline. It doesn't matter who puts the person on your left or on your right. As long as there's one person on the left, one person on the right, the system will pay you the matching bonus of 210 rands. And that brings John, Obi brings David. You still get paid. John brings Faith, David brings Izzy. You still get paid. So as more people are joining, you are getting paid immediately, and you can earn up to 6,720 rands in a day. Yes. And also, we have what we call the entrepreneur package, which is 3 accounts. You can start this business with 3 accounts. Multiple accounts allows you to make more money. So as your first account is making money, your second account is making money, your third account is making money. So you are earning in 3 different spots instead of just earning with 1 account. And of course, if you want to go bigger, you can jump in with the 7 accounts, which allows you to make more money, on the long run. So you have 7 accounts which are earning more money simultaneously, and also you can come on the 15 accounts if you want. So how do you join Alliance Emotion Global in South Africa? To join Alliance Emotion Global in South Africa, you only need to make a one-time purchase of your desired business package. You can start with a 1 account, which is 1,580 rands. You can start with 2 accounts, you can start with 7, you can start with 10, depending on your capacity. So when you join this business, you join with a package, whether the package or package B, depending on whatever you want. So the package costs 1,580, and when you join Alliance Emotion Global, you don't just pay. When you pay, you get product worth more than your money back. So when you join this business, you'll be given product worth more than your money back in your package. So what will you get? You get varieties of products. You get a business kit. You get a kit that explains the product, the company, the marketing plan, and all those stuff. You have an online tracking center. You get your unique username and password, which you use to access your business online and keep track of your business. You have access to training and resources, and also you have a lifetime international business. Take note of the lifetime international business. Lifetime international business means once you are joined for life. International means you can do this business from anywhere in the world. Even if you move out of South Africa, if you move out of Africa, you can continue doing your business. This is an international business, and we have offices in various countries. These are pictures of some of our successful distributors in Alliance Emotion Global. You can see here pictures of some of our successful distributors celebrating their car right here. Yeah, so this business is for everybody, no matter your occupation. If you are in the military, if you are an office worker, you are a preacher, whatever your occupation is, you can do this business. Anyone can do this business. This business is a business for everybody. So my dear friend, I've just presented to you the same opportunity that has changed many lives around the world, and I believe this is what you have been waiting for. Don't waste any more time. Pick my number from this video, get in touch with me, and let us get you on board Alliance Emotion Global wonderful business opportunity. Yeah, so here is my WhatsApp number, and my name is Joseph. You can pick my number right there, send me a message, and let's talk about Alliance Emotion Global, and I will be happy to get you on board. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.